Hi, it's Andy at Atkinson Specialist Vans. We've got a lovely 2017 67 plate Volkswagen Transporter Kombi here for you. But this is no ordinary Kombi. This is the 2 litre TSI petrol engined 204 PS with a DSG gearbox model. Super rare, only done for a limited time at Volkswagen. Got the Golf GTI engine in it. Super engine. This one, as you can see, has got some ABT front styling, the grille there, and the front spoiler too. Full gloss black pack on this vehicle with matte contrast badges. 20-inch gloss black wheels all round with Falcon FK 510 tyres. They're A-rated for wet weather performance. Really good tyres. Got the sidebars there, and as you can see, the large calipers have been done yellow. Looks really cool. Smoked side repeater. Gloss black pack carrying onto the mirrors. And we've got privacy tints to the rear of the vehicle too. Moving inside, it had Carlex trimmed leather from new. Really nice looking design of seat that. Good spec here too, we've got Discover Media navigation system and heated front seats from the factory there. It's a twin side loading door model. Now it's a little bit dark here, so I'll just sort of hang back. As you can see, the rear seats of the Kombi aren't in. We're just having a little bit of a repair on the backs of those seats. A few nicks in the leather, so we're just sorting that out. But as you can see, it's fully carpet lined in the rear with a suede lined ceiling. All in nice condition. Now we'll just go over the panels. Being a 5-year-old vehicle, bound to have the odd little chip or mark that we've touched in. If I spot anything, I will point it out to you. The yellow calipers on the rear there too. Sportline kit fitted on the back there. We've got the high level rear spoiler, and the TSI badge, and carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector. Show you the rear area here. See all the carpet lining in good used condition there, and the floor itself in good order too. Doesn't look like this vehicle's ever been used for any sort of work purposes. More than likely a director's vehicle. It's just been used to take the family around. It's lovely and straight down the sides. We've got no dents. Stands superbly well. We can add roof rails onto this for you as well if you wish to do so. Just a small extra cost. I've left them off so you can make the decision. Genuine Volkswagen rubber fitted mats on the floor here. It's got the option of the power folding wing mirrors. Leather multifunction steering wheel with cruise control. Now mileage is super low really for the age, so it's 30,867, and this does benefit from a full Volkswagen service history up to when we've got it, and we have had it serviced with our Volkswagen specialist, who also completes the digital service book for Volkswagen. So if it goes to any Volkswagen garage, they can see exactly what's been done on the vehicle previously. Lovely order, and that rare petrol engine with the DSG gearbox and all the styling kit as well. So we've got a full written description, 20 plus photos, all on our website, martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We welcome part exchanges, and we can offer competitive rates of finance. So if you're interested, please do get in touch. Thanks for watching.